back again at Parkinson's Concierge. My name's Charlotte Allen, and I'm a person living with Parkinson's, co-founder of Parkinson's Concierge.
I'm the other co-founder. My name's Russ, and I've got Parkinson's, and I've been living with Parkinson's for 8 years. So tonight we're going to bring you 3 more of our businesses that collaborate and tell you how wonderful they are. So if you bear with us, I'll get to the first one. First one is a company called Gondola, as in, the boat that goes down the river in Venice. Gondola is a company that helps patients affected by neurological disorders such as stroke, Parkinson's, spinal stroke, traumatic brain injury, cerebral palsy, and ataxia. It helps them regain movement abilities for an improved quality of life. Their mission is to make Gondola AMPS, which is automated mechanical peripheral stimulation, a standard treatment option for neurological conditions that cause gait disorders. They were founded in Switzerland in 2011 with the goal of developing new technologies in the field of neurorehabilitation to improve the quality of life for patients. The automated mechanical peripheral stimulation treatment has been shown to be effective in treating gait disorders and balance impairments. The company continues to conduct clinical studies with internationally renowned neurologists. It has also received substantial support from the American Parkinson's Disease Association, the APDA, and it is in the process of obtaining FDA approval for the Gondola medical device. Gondola has been a CE marked device since 2012, and so far patients in Europe, Switzerland, Italy, France, Germany, England, Spain, and Belgium have benefited from the use of Gondola. So it's a product that's designed to improve walking, improve balance, reduce freezing, and reduce rigidity. Clinical studies on the treatment of Parkinson's using Gondola AMPS have proven its usefulness and effectiveness in treating movement disorders, including fascinating, gait, balance impairments, and freezing of gait. So there's one company, that's Gondola. We certainly hope that
Going to check them out.
We certainly hope that you can check them out. And hi, Hamilton, how are you? All the way from Uganda.
Next up is Mindful Medicine. Gillian Ward is the founder of Mindful Medicine. She has got various qualifications in delivering meditation and is fully qualified to deliver the medication to the Parkinson's community. She's based in Newbury, West Berkshire, and she carries out both face-to-face consultations and online. Her background was as graduating with a degree in international business with languages, and then she secured her entry into the sort of therapy areas and continued to work for many years in Europe and Australia and with various global organisations. Earlier in her career, she actually suffered chronic pain and upper body stiffness and immobility, which was diagnosed later as various repetitive strain injuries. A few simple treatments led to a massive improvement in her health and fitness, which then drove her on to study and be a practitioner herself. This then enabled her to pursue her innate desire to work with people, more specifically, support of their health and well-being. Mindful medicine, hypnosis, that sort of thing. It's all alternative therapy. And, if you want to try it out, why not try it out? It may work for some, it may not work for others. But Gillian's, she's advertising her classes on our website. So you'll find her details there. I'll also post up some information about how to get hold of her. And she also carries out her own podcast and about the power of AQ energetics in mindfulness meditation. So she's there to be checked out, definitely. She teaches mindfulness meditation to people specifically with Parkinson's disease and also their carers and partners. And she feels privileged to be involved with both the Younger Onset Parkinson's Disease Conference and also Parkinson's Concierge, that's us, where she was recently invited to contribute to a Life After Lockdown webinar with us, wasn't she?
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Gillian's doing some fantastic work for the Parkinson's community, so check her out online, join a couple of her sessions, and let us know, give us your feedback and let us know what you think, because, we're sourcing these people, products and services. They're all Parkinson's friendly. But we want feedback from you to know, are you enjoying them? Do you want more ideas like this? Keep in contact and let us know.
We're also out there to try and get some words of encouragement and some support from some large organisations who are involved in research, as well as doing fantastic work on behalf of the Parkinson's community. We have used the services, and without whom some of these live sessions wouldn't have been possible without the help of Neil and Nina, who are in the background doing posts, answering any questions you have, as well as offering fantastic poetry and paintings. So thank you very much, Ian, Neil
and
Nina. Sorry, I'm a bit...
The meds haven't kicked in.
The meds haven't kicked in just yet. So.
And I'm going to mention again the World Parkinson's Coalition, who are our charity of the month, doing fantastic things globally for people with Parkinson's. And obviously, they've got their event coming up next year in June, the 7th to the 10th of June in Barcelona, the World Parkinson's Congress. As we said before, Russ and I were lucky enough to attend the one in Kyoto in Japan a couple of years ago. And it's an amazing event to be part of. And, hopefully we'll be at the one in Barcelona too.
If I'm not dead. This time,
yeah.
Our next organisation that we'd like to praise thanks to, and who've got are very involved with people from the Parkinson's community, is the Critical Path for Parkinson's, CPP. Diane Stevenson is a member, one of the directors at the Critical Path Institute. So the CPATH staff have a wide range of scientific and technical expertise. The CPATH drives projects through expert project managers, leverages deep regulatory experience. CPATH works effectively with regulatory agencies. They work effectively with other public-private partnerships. They build scientific consensus, and CPATH's proven record of successful execution. They are doing a lot of good stuff for people with Parkinson's and the community as a whole.
They actually collaborate with regulatory agencies, health organisations, patient groups, scientists, you name it. They're involved, and they are really part of the wheel of finding out what causes Parkinson's and how to deliver the care. Also, they're involved with Alzheimer's, sickle cell disease, TB drug regimens, which I'm not sure what that is, to be truthful, but and therapeutics for the atraxias. So they're very involved and they've shown their interest in us. They were founded in 2005 in Tucson, Arizona, and they're an independent, non-profit organisation dedicated to bringing other experts from regulatory agencies, industry and academia to collaborate and improve the medical product development process. So that can only be good, can't it?
Absolutely. Well, thanks for tuning in to this latest of our week-long advocating for people with Parkinson's, our awareness campaign. Sorry, I'm a little bit unmedicated at the moment, so, but hey, I've got Parkinson's.
And tomorrow, which we'll be bringing to you soon, we're meeting up with the guys at the Able label, the accessible clothing. We'll have our clothing on tomorrow, won't we? Demonstrating that again. And we're actually going to be chatting to them and finding out more information about how they go about designing their clothes for people with Parkinson's. So they're very, very keen to hear of any difficulties you might have specifically with dressing, any items that you find particularly difficult to get on and off. And then we can go back to them. If you let us know about those garments and how you find them difficult to get on or get off, let us know. They're working with us to make it easier for people with Parkinson's to get dressed and be more independent and keep their independence, basically.
And don't forget, we will post the link again for any purchases made between
now and the end of the month.
Between now and the end of the month, with a special code that we're willing to provide, we'll give you access to a 10% discount.
Excellent. Well, that's us done for the evening. We'll be back again tomorrow for the last 2 live shows. And then that's our week done, isn't it?
I believe so.
We've still got Parkinson's though, haven't we?
Yeah, unfortunately so. Despite our good efforts of creating a week-long awareness campaign, at the end of it, we'll still have Parkinson's.
Thanks for watching. Catch up with you soon.
Thank you. Bye.